President will deliver good news to its constituency. If we have been following the news, nakikita naman natin that the President is doing his best, working very hard for this country. And it is, I think, may good news din talaga si Presidente today. So hopeful po kami na the news he will be telling us today is something that will, paano ba sabihin yan? Perk up our day and be hopeful for the rest of the year.
Ma'am, are we satisfied dun sa nangyaring investigation sa flood control issue na nabanggit ni Pangulo last summer po?
Nakikita naman natin na may gumugulong. At katulad ng napakaraming kaso din na nangyayari sa bansa, we cannot expect something that will happen overnight. Pero definitely, may ginagawang investigation at may mga result. So, much as we would like to be, yung pwede natin sabihin, gusto natin sana mas mabilis, katulad ng kaso namin. Yung husband ko have been murdered for almost 3 years now. Pero kahit hindi pa na kukuha yung hustisya, but definitely every month, tinitake up in court yung kaso. So parang ganun din. We cannot expect things to happen overnight, pero may ginagawa ang Pangulo, may ginagawa ang government.
Any specific issues you want the President to address, ma'am?
Specific issues that we want the President to address. Siguro more on me sa agriculture side, may problema talaga tayo with the prices of ating mga cattle farmers experiencing now with itong mga pig and hogs, dun sa mga hogs. Meron din, may problema din tayo with sugar. That is something very basic. Yung energy problem din natin, it has to be addressed. So these are very basic needs.